Hi viewers, today we're looking at the SHA and SHA1 function, which basically they basically encrypt a value, any value enter within, any string value enter within your brackets into hexadecimal value. So we start by using SHA, so we say select, then control space and page down, define SHA, SHA, and within that we're going to enter test. And this is going to be encrypted into a 40 character hexadecimal value. So if I run that, as you can see, it's been encrypted below. And SHA1 is basically a synonym for SHA, and it does the same thing. It gives the same value. As you can see underneath, it's encrypted it as well. So that's the SHA and SHA1 functions in MySQL Workbench.